I'm Olivia from oliviascuisine.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to make delicious carne asada tacos for Cinco de Mayo. They're juicy, tender, and bursting with flavor thanks to a citrusy marinade. So good, they'll rival anything you can get at your local taqueria. So what do you say? Shall we get cooking? We're going to start by having a large tomato and 2 jalapeños. I like to remove the core and seeds of the jalapeños, but you can keep them on if you like a hint of spicy. Then we'll place them open side down on a baking sheet. We're going to pop that under the broiler for 3 to 5 minutes or until they are charred and their skin is blistered. While non-mandatory, roasting the tomato and jalapeños mellows the jalapeno spiciness and enhances the tomato's natural sweetness while giving the marinade a touch of smoky flavor. Once these are out of the oven and have cooled slightly, we'll add them to the blender along with the other marinade ingredients. We'll need the juice of 1 orange, juice of 2 limes, and juice of 1 lemon. We'll also add Mexican oregano, regular is fine, cumin, brown sugar, an onion and 6 cloves of garlic, soy sauce, some white wine vinegar, half a cup olive oil, and cilantro. Season generously with salt and pepper. And now we're going to blend this until smooth. The best cut for carne asada is flank steak, but you can also use skirt steak. We'll place the steak in a container or a large Ziploc bag and pour the marinade over it, making sure the whole steak is thoroughly coated in the marinade. Refrigerate for 3 hours or overnight for the steak to absorb all those wonderful flavors. When ready to cook, we'll remove the steak from the marinade and wipe off the excess. I like to let it stay at room temperature for about 15 minutes or so it's not super cold when it hits the grill or pan. You can cook your carne asada outside on a grill or inside using a cast iron skillet. I am demonstrating the cast iron method today. We'll preheat the skillet over medium-high heat until piping hot. Then we'll add the steak and cook, turning occasionally until charred on both sides, and a thermometer inserted in the center reads 125 degrees Fahrenheit, about 3-4 minutes per side. We'll remove the steak to a cutting board and allow to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Slice against the grain, then cut into cubes for the tacos. To assemble your tacos, you want to start with a nice hot tortilla. You can use corn or flour taco tortillas. Yes, you can just warm them in the microwave, but then you'll be missing out on the texture and color that doing it on the stove or grill will give you. Just place your tortillas in a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat for about 15 to 30 seconds on each side. When they start to brown and darken, they are ready. You can also place them directly over the flame on a gas stove or grill, but be careful not to burn them. Now we have our beautiful tortillas and delicious carne asada. So what's missing? All the toppings, of course. That is completely up to you, but I like mine with some chopped red onions, guacamole, a dollop of sour cream or crema, a little bit of cilantro, and some salsa. And now, my favorite part, the moment of truth. Let's see if those tacos taste good. Ay Dios mío, seriously? Make these, friends? I can think of a better way to celebrate Cinco de Mayo. Again, I'm Olivia Mesquita and you can find me on Instagram as Olivia's Cuisine. Make sure to follow me and subscribe to ShopRite's YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. Enjoy!